Hello guys, today I'm making a simple homemade chicken curry. So let's get started. First thing first, I heated the oil and I sauteed a bay leaf and cumin seeds to release the aroma and stir for a while. Then I added the onions and cooked them until they turned soft and lightly golden. And then I added freshly crushed ginger and garlic for that rich aroma. This fresh wild coriander and ginger leaves straight from a kitchen garden. If you know, they add such a lovely aroma and fresh flavor. Next, I added the chicken and mixed everything really well. I'm not adding any water because the chicken releases plenty of its own juice while cooking. Or if you prefer more gravy, you can always add a little water. That's it. Now it's time for the spices: turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin, and then stir. While the chicken was simmering away, I took a little break and enjoyed a cup of tea. Sometimes the best part of cooking is slowing down and enjoying the moment. So that's it. My simple, flavorful chicken curry is ready to enjoy.